Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some time-saving tips for living a healthier life. We all know that it can be hard to live a healthy life, especially when we don't have much time. But we can make it easier to fit healthy habits into our busy lives by making a few simple changes to our daily routine. First of all, planning meals is a game changer for saving time and staying healthy. If you plan your meals ahead of time, you won't have to scramble to figure out what to eat at the last minute, and you can make sure you have healthy food on hand. This also makes grocery shopping faster, since you'll know exactly what you need to buy for the week. Another tip is to cook in large batches. This is the process of making a big batch of a certain dish and then dividing it into smaller portions that can be frozen or put in the fridge for later. So, when you don't have time to cook, you'll have healthy meals ready to go. Physical activity is also important for a healthy lifestyle, but it can be hard to find the time to go to the gym or take a class. One way to fix this is to do short, intense workouts throughout the day. Many bodyweight exercises, like squats, push-ups, and lunges, can be done at home or in a small space. You can also add resistance with things like resistance bands or dumbbells. Technology is quickly becoming a necessary part of our daily lives. One way to use technology for healthy living is by utilizing online grocery stores or meal delivery services. You can plan your meals ahead of time using these services and have them delivered right to your door. This helps eliminate the need for lengthy trips to the store or dealing with the hassle of choosing ingredients at the store when you're in a rush. Taking breaks can be anything from getting up to stretch your legs, listening to music, doing some light exercise, or even taking a quick nap. Short breaks give us an opportunity to step away from our daily routines and focus on something else for a short period of time. This helps us become more aware of our feelings and emotions so that we can better manage them in the future. In addition to helping reduce stress levels and improving mental clarity, taking regular breaks also makes it easier to stay focused on our goals. Last but not least, don't forget how important sleep is. Getting enough restful sleep is important for our overall health, but when we're busy, it can be hard to put it first. You can make sure you get enough sleep by setting a regular sleep schedule and making a relaxing bedtime routine. In the end, living a healthier life doesn't have to take up all of our time. We can make sure we take care of ourselves without giving up our busy schedules if we plan meals, cook in bulk, do short workouts, and put sleep first. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other time-saving tips for living a healthier life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.